Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Finally, back to the crazy quilting. This is the first in a series of several, introducing my new crazy quilt bundles. And what I thought we would do would be to open one up and look at it of each color group. So this one right there, I am calling Bohemian Browns. They are quite chunky because the fabrics are chunky. And I hope I can get this back together again the way it came, the way it's supposed to be. This way. We have a patchwork, and on each bundle this piece will be a little bit different because of the way the fabric was patched together. We have a shiny brown with metallic. Let me get my ruler so you can see where I'm going with these. This is a brown and gold cotton. It was new yardage. This was also new yardage. And any of the vintage fabrics got washed and or hung out in the sun to sanitize. This is a black with copper metallic. Can you tell by my ruler? A gold brocade. A fancy sequined. It's kind of stretchy. You'll have to be careful with it. This is a black, I think it's called flocked. It's got kind of a, feels like a velvet on it. This piece has velvet and a gray, but some jewels and sequins. Piece of black satin, very long piece. This was new yardage, also a brown with a gold. These are thick tapestry-like fabrics, actually off of the the fabric I bought for my daughter's quilt. This is thick, it's kind of quilted gold. This is a piece of shiny, it's an illusion because there's actually no diamonds in there, but it looks like there is. This is netting with these gold blobs of glitter. That was new yardage. Okay, this is reclaimed from a dress. Brown roses. This is reclaimed from a shirt, and it has silver metallic. I guess it's paint, but I don't know. This is a heavier tweed from a skirt. This is new yardage. I think that was a sample from the Myers drapery. Okay, this is lightweight, kind of sheer, paisley looking, reclaimed. This was reclaimed from a skirt. It's kind of a linen, but it's got a nice sheen to it. Okay, this was from That one jacket I got at the free store. And it's got beads and sequins. So each of the bundles has a piece of this. Everything you see, each bundle has the same. I cut all the bundles at the same time. This was yardage. It's got a little sheen to it, same as this. I think they're the same fabric in different colorways. This is reclaimed, cut out, burnt out and headed down the line. Burnt out velvet. Burnt out and headed down the line. And a piece of shiny brown satin from Colorado Springs Walmart. So that is one bundle. All my bundles are $20. Free shipping in the United States. If you are not in the United States, let me know and we'll work out a price. Maybe you could pay half the shipping for overseas. Okay, next is, these are Ecru and Sage. Green and Ecru, or off-white, or whatever you want to call it. I have my thing tilted here. And I am not going to fuss with that. I am just going to cut it. I should have counted those others. I try to put 25 pieces to a bundle. Sometimes I go over. If I do not have 25, I'll double up on a fabric to bring it up to 25. So let's just say 25. Okay, this is really old curtain fabric, reclaimed curtain fabric. I got that at an auction a long time ago. This Sage is reclaimed rayon, feels like it's reclaimed from a skirt. There's actually two pieces of that. This is kind of a cutout, burnout. Why do I say cutout? Burnout, but it is not velvet. It's some kind of rayon, it feels like. This is a, what do you call this, charmeuse silk. This is a curtain piece. Here again is that gold brocade because it goes with those also. This is definitely a linen. Has some texture to it. This is from a curtain. Piece of camouflage because the colors go. This is double-sided. You could use either side. It's polyester, I think. This is a burlap with lace on it. This is also from the Wayback Machine. It's probably 20 years old. But it has threads, it has a texture. You could use either side. This is a curtain piece. It's got a little bit of texture to it. This is gorgeous. This was new yardage. Dragonflies. Uh-oh. The dragonflies shed upon my eyelet material. I think there's two pieces of this, maybe. Or maybe not, because I have so much of it. If I have a lot, I will put double in of things. This is a cotton blend in a nice sagey green. Another of the curtain. This might have been a curtain too. It has some shiny. This is a dark, like a faux suede, but not quite. It's not quite as thick, but it has that nap to it. So it kind of acts like a velvet too. Another piece of that. Another piece of this. Yep, there's that other. This is really dark green. You can't maybe see it. It's dark forest green. But it goes. It goes. Yeah, here's the other piece of that. This was from a jacket. It has embroidery on it. And I put also a piece of this in there. So there are 6 of those also. And please come back and see what other colors I have. I'm going to try to do a video a day till I get through all my colors. So until then, arrivederci.